Hi Kenya, welcome back to the channel. So this is my bike when I picked it up from Dick Lovett. Now I knew the pannier system on it was not what I wanted and not what I needed. No, I wanted my old panniers that are sat up on top of the shelf because when I go camping I load the bike up. These new panniers just wouldn't do it. So top box off, we've already done the Givy adapter plate, that has to come back off. Remove the handrails, 6 big bolts, disconnect the power for the pannier, and you're left with this. If you already follow and have subscribed to my channel, well great. If you haven't, please take a second to do so. This will help me and the channel progress. Thank you very much. I'll have to put these somewhere safe, because no doubt if I want to sell the bike, I'll have to put them back on. Now I've taken lots and lots of measurements off the old bike and then mocked the brackets up on the new bike just using bits of wood and some stands and packing. Next I made this little jig to hold everything square, straight and upright. With the pannier bracket in the right position, made some templates. Stuck them all together with 2-ton epoxy glue, removed it carefully, then welded it, and here they are finished. Pretty good job, I don't think they look too bad. All the material I used is high grade stainless steel, but it is 5mm thick, the main brackets that I used, so I had to put a 2mm washer on top of that to make up the 7mm that the old pannier brackets are. Little bit of Loctite on all the bolts, not too much. I did torque all these bolts up as per BMW spec, but I didn't film that. The little back cover just clips in and then 2 small screws. I must say that this is not an easy 5-minute job. You need the right equipment and quite a bit of experience at welding fabrication. So it's not one of them, I'll just give it a go jobs. For those with eyes like a hawk, yes, I'll change that bolt later. I didn't have the right size. These will have to go somewhere safe. There's the bike ready for its next camping trip. Hope you find this video interesting, useful. Please hit the like button, click and subscribe.